The Honeycomb Filling Stitch is a wonderful blanket stitch variation, perfect for texturing and pattern filling. Start by identifying the area to be filled and divide it into sections using horizontal lines. Begin by making a row of blanket stitches on the top row. Begin the next row by coming out from the middle of the next two lines and between the earlier two stitches. Pass your needle under the earlier stitch without plucking the fabric under. Pass through the third line and come up again in the middle between the two stitch lines. Loop the thread and pull it out. Continue. So basically, you are working another row of blanket stitch by first stepping it to the side and second by passing it under the earlier stitch to create an inverted open V. Keep making more vertical rows and you will end up with a filling of hexagon patterns that resembles a honeycomb. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment to let me know. Do check the links in the description to support us. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.